So here we are, almost at the peak of a giant mountain, chilling with a ton of monkeys and just enjoying the view. I never saw monkeys running around freely or so. I always saw them in cages or in the zoo, and it was really nice to experience those animals from that close.
He also thinks I have food? Oh! So cute.
And even if they look cute, you should never underestimate those animals, as they're still wild animals. So here I was on my way, tired and exhausted from a 2-hour bike ride, to climb the last few hundred meters.
Traquinas, não tem vergonha.
Queres que filme?
Tipo, tu tens de ter tudo agarrado ao teu corpo.
Olha, está a vir outra, eles são tipo, o que é que estão aqui a falar? Eu vou sentar assim.
O que é que ele fez?
Ele quer abrir a
mala.
He wants to open the bag.
Então.
I have an apple somewhere. But it's on this side.
Ai, it's cool, it's okay, it's okay. Eu juro que sei. Eu encostei-me, it's okay. Desta vez.
Ah, tu estás a...
He understands apple, huh? He understands.
Ah.
I hope it's you see me a bit.
Estou aqui, pá.
Eu sabia que eu não fui fazer nada.
Okay guys, I'm just chilling out a bit because my ankle is hurting here, and I don't want it to be really bad, and I still need to drive home with the motorcycle. It's really hard to get up here and walk such a long distance. And keep in mind, I'm walking every day since this Saturday, last Saturday. I've been walking like crazy. I probably do minimum 20 kilometers per day. It's crazy. 17:25 p.m. right now. We will go down and we will leave Gibraltar, and we will probably head to a remote beach that I found on Google Earth, with an abandoned house or finca on top of a mountain next to it.
Send your voice notes, baby, but you never answer. 'Cause I was here with the others. Ooh.
Hey. Hey, Modo. Fishes.
So after I found this cute little bunny, I went back to my motorcycle and I just did the last stop at this lighthouse. Okay, so this is the famous lighthouse, and there somewhere we have Africa. I started driving down the coastline back to Malaga and eventually arrived at the remote beach. So we finally left Gibraltar and now we're at the beach. I found a really nice beach on Google Earth, and it has those cliffs, and on top of the cliffs you can see ruins, like old houses and stuff. So this is the beach. This is the beach, and you have the rocks right there. I'm pretty much alone. There are only 2 people. So So apparently one of my cameras died, so I need to take the action cam, so yes. The water is very clear here, and the sand is special. It's not the same as in Malaga. In Malaga you don't have that, more corny sand. And basically you have like underwater rocks that go into the ocean. I left Gibraltar and it was really nice. It was a nice experience on the mountain there, but I'm so tired right now. My feet, they're again broken. I just want to sleep or have a beer somewhere, and I still need to do 1 hour to Malaga.